Right now, I'm going to show you how to 5 to 10x your coaching fees, your service fees, your program fees, whatever you're offering. And it's a simple skill set that when you apply will allow you to sell what you're selling at a high ticket price. And it's perfect if you're a coach and you're just starting out and you're like, I don't even know how to price my program, that's perfect. Or if you're a seasoned coach, you've been in the game for a little while, but it's like you see all these other coaches and they're charging these high ticket prices and you're like, how do I do that, right? It's a simple skill and I'm going to teach you right now. My name is Peter Feza. I'm the trainer of coaches since 2005 and I've been teaching this in my seminars and my workshops throughout the years and my premium online courses, and I'm going to teach you what I teach my premium students for free. And this isn't mine. I actually learned it from Russell Brunson. He's the CEO of ClickFunnels. And he's a 9-figure entrepreneur, which means they make over $100 million per year. And he attributes a lot of that to what I'm about to teach you today. And when I first learned how to do this, I went from $30,000 to $100,000 in my very first year of applying it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. But it all starts here, okay? So we're going to start, and we're going to start with this square. Now this square represents your coaching, right? So your coaching is now a square on a whiteboard, right? Everything that you offer is in this square. Now here's the deal. I know that your program's amazing, but in the eyes of your dream customer, they think that you're like everybody else in your category, no matter what kind of coach you are. And if you're like everybody else, you're simply put a commodity. I think this is that with 2 M's. If it's not, forgive me, right? My skills. If you're a commodity, you are now at a war with everybody else with your price, okay? Little sad panda. It's kind of like if you went to Amazon and you're looking for an extension cord, right? You're looking for an extension cord and you see a $9 extension cord and a $25 one. Which one are you going to buy most of the time? Like the $9 one, right? Most of the time. So how do we take your extension cord coaching program and turn it into what you want to be able to do, which is provide a service that demands high fees, right? We turn your commodity into an offer. Okay, we turn your commodity into an offer. Now you're probably like, what do you mean an offer? I already know what an offer is. Let me give you the context of what I mean, right? An offer is something that will get your dream clients to be like, I absolutely need that no matter how much it costs. In order to create that kind of behavior, we need 2 things in your offer, okay? The first thing is, number 1, is you need in your offer to have a signature program. Now, what's a signature program? A signature program is a program that people can only get from you. It is a step-by-step system. It is a proprietary process that only you provide and nobody else provides. That takes you from being a commodity to having something of value that people want. Here's an example. My signature program is my Clients Right Now program, the step-by-step system that will help you fill up your schedule with paid coaching clients, if you're a coach, right? And I take people by the hand, step-by-step through my process. And since it's my process, I can charge premium prices for it, and that's what I do in my coaching programs and my online courses, right? So if you don't have a signature program in place, I got you. Right? I have another video. I have a step-by-step video that will teach you step-by-step on how to create your signature program. So we're not going to focus a whole lot on that here, okay? So assuming that you have a signature program, congratulations, or you're going to watch that video later on, or you've seen the video, let's go to step number 2, okay? So the first thing that you need is a signature program, and then the second thing that you need in your amazing offer is what we call a value stack. Now, what in the world is a value stack? Okay, let me explain. Now, a value stack is a way for you to be able to add value to your offer that makes it a no-brainer investment for the person who is receiving that information, okay? Now, to illustrate this, I'm going to share with you an offer that I got that I thought was ridiculous, but I ended up paying, okay? It was a $24,000 program. I was a beginning coach, and I've shared this story before, but I was a beginning coach, and I got on the phone with this high-end coach who was making a lot of money, and I'm like, oh my God, I want that. So I was on the strategy call, and he said, my price of my program is $24,000. And I was like, oh my God. It was a mastermind program, so it wasn't even like a regular it was like it wasn't even a one-on-one program with this guy. It was a mastermind, so I had to share it with a bunch of other people. But by the end of the call, I was like, I need that program. He did the value stack, and I'm going to share with you what that is. He did the value stack, and I was like, oh my God, I now see that I'm going to get like 100-time return on this investment, right? And I didn't even have the money. I went to the bank to get the money. I got a loan, and I paid for the program. Didn't have any money, right? At the beginning of the call, I was like, I don't think so. And by the end of the call, I'm like, I need that program. So what happened? This is what he did. He said, okay, I have my coaching program, $24,000. But this is what you'll get. And you'll also get this. And you'll also get that. And you'll also get this. And you'll also get that. And finally you get this. He kept adding the value, stacking the value. This is what you're going to get. That's what you're going to get. That's what you're getting. By the end of the thing, I'm like, oh my God, I need to get this thing, right? So how did he get me to get this $24,000 program? He did one very important thing, okay? He could have lowered the price of the program when I was like, I ain't paid for that. But he did something else. He added value again and again and again and again and again and again until the price seemed cheap in comparison. I'm going to say this again. In order to get this investment price, whatever you want to offer for your program, to seem cheap in the eyes of your potential client, you can A, lower the price, which you don't want to do because you'll be sad, or B, keep stacking value until the price of your program, whatever you set it at, seems cheap in comparison. That's the value stack. So you might be thinking, okay, Peter, like I got this metaphor, like I got the value stack. I hear what you're saying, but what specific things do I need to add to my coaching program in order to make this whole thing work, right? Perfect. So now that you understand the metaphor, let me show you the step-by-step process and the specific ingredients that you can add to your offer formula that will produce a crave-worthy response in your dream client. And I call this next little system that brings this all home the Magic 4. Okay, so let me go ahead and erase this and put some more stuff on this thing, and I'll see you in a couple seconds. Okay, so here we are with the Magic 4. Okay, so far you've learned that in order to take your coaching program to a high-priced, high-ticket program where people will exchange their hard-earned money for what you have to offer, and they will literally crave what you have to offer, you have to turn your commodity program into an offer, right? And in order to do that, you need to value stack. You need to keep adding value in such a way where the cost of your program seems cheap in comparison to their investment. Now, the Magic 4 is amazing. And it's amazing because these are all the elements, potential elements that you can add to your program. And what we have here is we have 4 different categories. The first category of a potential asset that you can add to your coaching program is the written word. This could be anything that's like books, ebooks, PDFs, worksheets, any of those things. Second thing is audio and video, which is my favorite. These are all of like the potential audio programs, videos, video lessons, anything in this category. The third is physical objects. So anything that you can think of, could be t-shirts, could be books, could be, whatever. And finally, other is anything else that you can think of, okay? Now, when I first applied this, I wanted to go from $500 a month as a coach to $1,000 a month as a coach. And that seemed like a big jump for me. Right? So I'm going to price this program at $1,000. Holy cow, okay? And so I was in this BNI networking group, and this woman's like, hey, oh my God, your services seem great. Let's go ahead and sit down for a strategy session. And I'm like, okay. So I go to this strategy session, and I learned this little system, and I applied it in perfectly, and I showed up to this thing with some amazing results. Okay, so this is what I said. She's like, so tell me about your program. I'm like, okay, wow, my program is amazing. You're going to experience so much transformation. By the end of the program, you're going to be unstoppable in your business. Because at the time, I was a Conquer Any Fear mindset coach for business owners. And I said, in our program, you are going to have one-on-one coaching with me every single week. You're going to have email support and phone support. And this is what most coaches offer, right? So I'm like, you're going to have one-on-one coaching. You're going to have email support. You're going to have phone support. But every other coach does that, right? Not you and me. I said, but every single week, you're going to get an audio lesson that kind of describes exactly what we're going to be doing in our program. By the way, I didn't have any of this created yet. None of it created. I just had the promise of it. That's the perfect thing. That's the perfect part of this, is that you don't have to have it created. You can build it out as you start laying out your program week to week. But you had, and which is great because now you have a roadmap and you have time to actually build it if you don't have it built it yet. So I said, you're going to get an audio MP3s. You're also going to get tailor-made videos that I'm going to send to you. You're also going to get an ebook that I wrote that's going to help you massively increase your confidence. You're also going to get ebooks from other authors and programs that are going to be valuable for you. You're going to get wristbands that are going to have little sayings on them. That's what I do. Let me show you this. So I love wristbands. This is like one of my very favorite physical assets. I don't know if you can see it, but it says your destiny is now, right? And so the other part is be 100%. I love it. You know, I have a bunch of these and it makes me feel like, wow, I'm a part of something really awesome. So you're also going to get t-shirts. Check this out. This is my Spread Your Message t-shirts. That's my tagline. You're going to get t-shirts and you're going to get on and on and on. And so what I did is I kept adding these specific things, right? Every single item was slowly increasing the value of my program. And I did that, boom, boom, boom. I kept stacking. This is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to get, until the price of my coaching program seemed cheap in comparison to the value that she was getting. And and also too, I was like, hey, you're also going to have access to all my future seminars that I haven't created yet, right? You're also going to get access to my online courses that I didn't create yet. But by the end, she was like, oh my God, I'm sold. And at the end of it, I went, oh my God, now I understand one of the most important lessons you will ever learn as a coach. You never want to be stuck at a specific price point with your coaching. You want to be growing and increasing your services and your offerings and making more money. The bottom line is you want to change lives. You want to be able to help people with your message. But in order to do that, you have to create an offer that is crave-worthy. And you do that by stacking value. Since then, I've added so many more things to my program. Now I have an arsenal of tools and a bunch of different value. I have like 13 courses now that I offer people when I start working with them. There's so much value, and they see the return on the investment and they're willing to pay me for my services. All of this is to help deliver your message, change lives, design, create, and build the life of your dreams. Spread your message and change the world. I'll see you next time.